Hi guys, what's going on? It's been a long minute. I know, I'm so sorry. This morning I was doing my exercise routine and I felt like, yeah, I should probably take out the camera this morning and give my subscribers, you guys, an explanation as to what has been happening with me. I've had the camera in this shelf for the last 3 weeks, and when I finished my exercise, I just took it out and put the SIM card in and turn it on, and here we are. So what has been going on with me? Here we go. I don't know what happened. I just felt like having a break and kind of rethinking my content, doing some content strategy, and that's what I've been doing. So for the past 3 weeks I've been just thinking about how I can bring my channel forward with the content and make it entertaining for you guys plus educational. So I'm still thinking on that, still thinking about content, and yeah, that's what's been going on. So I have a few updates for you guys. So someone had asked in the comment section about my COVID test and how it's been for me. So the first one, I did the video and I told you guys what had happened, and for the second one it went well, but I did get really sick the night of the vaccination. I even made a little clip during the night. I may put it here or may not, I'm not sure, but if I do, you'll see it now.
Guys, I'm so in so much pain. I just woke up and it's in the middle of the night and I'm freezing and my head hurts and my joints hurt. I just took the second vaccine. I thought the first one did bad, but this one is poof. So I'm going to drink some aspirin and then try to go back and sleep. Oh.
Yeah, so yeah, I was really sick that night. Took some aspirin and then slept, and in the morning I woke up, I felt better. It was yeah, I felt like a bit weak. My joints were kind of tender, you know, but that lasted for like 2 days and then I was back to normal. The first jab, like the first injection I got, my arm was very hard, like it was swollen and painful. The second one I didn't have that experience, so I didn't feel any pain in my arm. It wasn't swollen, but I was sick, you know, like chills and, you know, lying in bed and joint pains and oh my god, you know, I felt like I was gonna not die, but like I felt it. But I've noticed since then, so that's like 3 weeks ago or a month, I'm not sure, like 3 weeks to a month ago. What I've noticed since then is sometimes like my heart will like do a little bit twitch, and I'm not gonna blame the vaccine, but I've noticed that happening more frequently than before. But I don't want to blame the vaccine, but I'm just telling you what I'm feeling. So my heart, like, it does, like, you know, in Jamaica we say skip a beat, but it's more like it's what's the word you would use? I don't know the scientific word for it, but it's like, you know, it's like does something. Anyways, not blaming the vaccine, but I'm just telling you my observation. Apart from that, I'm tip top. Yeah, so that's my quick update. Working on content for the channel. Want to bring more engaging content and educational stuff, and not just, you know, like I'm doing now. Not just that. And every week I'm kind of trying to guess, what am I gonna present or what am I gonna talk about, but make a plan, a content plan for the next 3 months or the next 2 months, so I know I produce the content and just schedule them out so you guys can have them on time and, you know, a little bit more professional. I also might change the name of the channel. I will change the name of the channel because I'm not gonna hop on a plane and travel all over and do that kind of traveling and vlogging kind of thing I had in mind before. So I will change the name of the channel. if you have any ideas, you can drop them in the comment section. I appreciate it. And I will continue to think about that. Yeah, so that's kind of it, really. Oh, Hannah lost his mom. Condolences. Can I say that? Can I say condolences to him? Yes. So he lost his mom. She got buried a week ago, and so that was something we were dealing with. As also what I've been doing, what's been keeping me busy. You know, it's summertime now and it's warm, and I'm getting more clients in the salon, so I've been busy doing that. Most of my days are filled with just arranging appointments, doing the appointments, and yeah, that's what I've been doing for the past 3 weeks. Just going, working, and yeah, on Sundays I chill, sleep, or go for a walk or something like that. So in a nutshell, I am okay, very okay. Vaccinated, hopefully we'll travel soon, and yeah, that's it. So thank you guys so much for checking in, for all the messages, like what's happening to you, what about the videos. Yeah, I'm all right, everything is okay, and I'm just planning. I'm in a planning phase. You know, sometimes that happens. You need to take a break to kind of plan what's next, how do you go forward. Yeah, I won't keep you guys any longer because that's really it. All right, so I'm not sure if I'll post next week or this week, because I'm not finished with the planning, and I have to plan and then make the content, and you know, so it's a little bit of work. So I'm not sure if I'll plan this week or next week, but I will be back for sure. So stick around for the future of this channel. We'll change the name, I don't know to what, but stick around for the future of the channel. I promise you, you will like it. All right, guys, have a nice day, have a nice weekend, and until I see you. Oh, I want to say something. I did some videos with a company back some years back, and now I am sharing those videos, and they are on the community tab. If you don't know where to find the community tab, it's right here. I'll show you. You go on the channel, then go to community, and then you'll find all the posts I've made there. So you can go there and check out these videos. I think I've posted them there. I cannot upload them to the channel because they're not the contents don't belong to me. But if you're interested in animal feed or what animals like eat, a little bit of the background, it's very basic information, but it's very useful information as well, because we oftentimes don't think about what animals eat and how that can affect us, you know, and it can really affect us. You know, feed safety is just as important as food safety. So you can go check those out on my community tab. And yes, keep up with the community tab, because there is where I will write something, like, you know, post a picture and say what I'm doing, or, you know, so keep up with that. For Instagram, I deactivated my Instagram page for now because I think it takes up too much of my time. I'm too caught up in Instagram. So In the Travel Life of Danelle has been deactivated. I still have the braid box, of course, that goes, that's you know, that brings customers and stuff. But In the Travel Life of Danelle, I've deactivated it for now. Don't know if I'll reactivate it or when I'll reactivate it, but keep in touch. The community tab, I'll keep you updated there. All right, guys, until next time, mwah, bye-bye.